Sapience provides is an ability for a platform to connect to a machine, right? So when you have a standard way of collecting data, which is what we talked about, then you want a standard way of presenting that data to different applications, right? So in this case, Sapience is a platform that will talk to any machine irrespective of the protocol, so it can handle all the different protocols. And we provide you a standard way to collect the data, and we provide REST APIs, which can then any application, whether it's an SPC or traceability or any type of app, can then use those REST APIs and do what they want to do with it, right? So this is almost like a iOS or an Android platform where you can just, the apps don't know what the underlying technology on the phone is. This is like that. So whether you use OPC, OPC UA, CFX, GEM, it really doesn't matter. It will take that data, transfer it into something usable, and provide it to the application.